are you? There's the machine. We are already in the land. There's the land outside the town. The people are sleeping here because we came very late. So they are sleeping here. Tomorrow we're going to start the job. So they are sleeping right in the town here. There's a bulldozer. The whole structure of the machine. I'll show you. So very early tomorrow we are going to start clearing tomorrow. So there's the bulldozer. We are already in the town. Very early tomorrow we are going to stop the work because it is very late. They came very late and then the road bear been giving a hard time on the road today. Yeah, the road bear been giving a hard time on the road. This is the fuel they're using for tomorrow, for the time that they will be here and then complete the place. So the reason that we stayed on the road bear, the whole tire burst, and then the machine got to walk from the quota to come in. What we've been doing today, so that while we got here late, and the machine with the chain, you know, it don't run. And there is the bulldozer, so it's going to clear all the place tomorrow. So we just came here by 5 something. So no way. And from here to go on land is just about 10 minutes to get to the land. So they are sleeping in the town. The town name is Jeve. There's the town. The town is Jeve. So that's where we're going to sleep here today. I mean, they're going to sleep here because I go in the town. So you and myself can talk on some things. And so in the morning, at 6 o'clock, I'll be here with them. And we'll get to the machine. Thank you. That's it.